The answer is no. That's an old myth, because in the old days, back in like the Paleozoic of breast implants, they were a silicone shell filled with a liquid oil, okay? So if the outer shell broke down, the inside would spill out, and it was really a mess, especially if breast gland bacteria got on that oily substance. It could get kind of inflammatory. That's the old implants. We're talking like 1960s, 70s, 80s. That's all in the past. But during those years, surgeons would tell patients, you should change your implants every 10 years. You don't need to do that. The modern implants are a completely different thing. If your implants were placed in the late 90s or early 2000s, the implant is a silicone shell filled with a silicone pudding. That pudding is a mixture of oils and solids, but it's a thick liquid. If the shell ruptures, it's a little bit messy, but it's easier to clean. But those were replaced by cohesive implants years ago. The modern implants are cohesive, like a Jell-O or a gummy bear. That gel stays inside the implant because the gel is actually cross-linked. It's a solid, a soft solid with an outer silicone shell. If the outer shell breaks down, the inside stays together. You can literally cut it into cubes and reassemble it. You can pop a pin through it, and as you pull it out, see a bubble trail, and then squeeze it, stand on it with two shoes, or like run over it with a car, and the gel will not squeeze out or leak. In fact, I've taken implants and cut them into cubes, put them on a white piece of paper in the oven at 110 overnight. They don't melt and no oil weeps out because it really is a cross-linked solid. In summary, implants don't have to be changed every 10 years because even if the outer shell breaks, the cohesive implant stays together in the pocket, inside of the scar pocket in your breast. And if it's noticed on mammogram or with an ultrasound, you can easily have those replaced at your convenience. The surgeon opens the old incision, pulls that implant out, rinses the pocket, and can place a new implant with a sterile funnel into the pocket in the operating room. It's a simple procedure, simple problem, simple solution. Implants today are designed to last 20 years or more. If you like the look and feel of your breasts, you do not have to change your implants every 10 years.